Matasi ngadon hang ni hadisi office habakadon ke jingialang hapdeng jong ke Dorbar Shnong Mawsynram but kecuki group lani atu ka kynhun Hindu ka ba nakapor sakapor ka jupan pau ya kata ka jing persya ba namar ba kadon ka jingkhang lani ka jing bamsya na ka Shnong ban pynlong jaka mane blai hang te Krem Mawjymbuin te hanrei matasi kaladon ka jing kendo lang hapdeng ke jongki na dong ka Dorbar Shnong bat katu ka kynhun bat komju bane kendo bo disi bat ki don lang ki SP hang ni ha jaka te ka jingialang hapo ngin saya pet ka nabaro arliang ke ka baki don bon ang ini hapor kat bagi nak up ya kami meeting ke barang long station bar don gini ki nakaliang joka sang Hindu ki ba wan yang hanya khmat ki ba dei bilang rot
Meeting अच्छा हुआ, it was good.
What was the talk inside?
मौसिंगराम में अलाउ नहीं किया है ना अभी मौसिंगराम को सबके लिए अलाउ है और हम लोग स्पेशल डिमांड किया है कि 365 डेज में जो सावन महीना आता है ना वहाँ में स्पेशल थोड़ा हम लोग का
नहीं मतलब डॉर्बर स्नोंग का तरफ से वो अलाउ नहीं करता है तो आप लोग क्या
नहीं अलाउ क्या है एवरीवन इज अलाउ
everyone is allowed.
See, everyone is allowed and everything is done. So there was no ban. Okay. There was no ban. Anyone can go there 365 days from 9 to 5 p.m. onwards. So, but they have to maintain some SOPs, and of course there should be some SOPs are there, and we do accept those SOPs. And they also said that they will do some special arrangement for the Savan Mahina. So, no ban on the worshipping there. Worshipping means there nobody can do like. We worshipping means what? We will be there, we sit there, we offer our prayer over there, and that will be done, and that can be done anytime, anywhere, 365 days. Everyone accepted these things, and I think from till date, Mawjymbuin case is over, and we will see what is going to happen. And they have assured us, and we have belief on that. We have belief on the leadership of Meghalaya. We have belief on the district administration, Meghalaya administration, and we will wait and watch what they will do in the next coming days, and that will define our next course of action.
So there has been alleged that from your side there has been a lot of rumors saying that Meghalaya people this and that, like what should I say, like threatening.
Who?
From the Hindu group threatening?
No, there is no threatening from Hindu groups. No one giving any threatening Hindu groups. This is some like people are misinterpreting the things. Yes, we said about the blockage of routes. If the ban is not withdrawn, but they said there is no ban. Already there is no ban.
There would be some.
There is no ban. So see, I cannot now say anything because the administration and Dorbar already confirmed that there is no ban. They will keep it open 365 days from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So that will be okay. And we will watch. We have the faith on them. So let's see what they do. If then we will design our next course of action.
So in this recent days, there was also that post that in Meghalaya has been circulated about that one guy entering Mawlynong Church, and he was shouting slogan Jai Shri Ram in the Mawsynram Church or in the Mawlynong Church. What's your say on it?
See, everyone has the right to live, right to worship, and the right to express. But I think in the same time, being India is a secular country, everyone has to respect every faith, every religious, every caste and community. Church is not for Jai Shri Ram. There's some special slogans that we have to respect the church, and church also have to respect the mandirs, temples, and they have to respect us. We have to, because respect is a both way circumstances. It cannot be done one way. So this is what everyone has to respect. What is there, what is in the church, we have to respect these things, and all the church has to respect what we have in the temples also.
So after resuming in Mawsynram, the worship place will be resumed in Mawsynram. how can you make sure that there won't be any disrespect of any religion or any, of the place itself also?
So it is depend upon the people, and we cannot sense the behavior of the public. So this is our simple message to all the people belongs to Meghalaya, Assam, and even being a citizen of this India. We all are citizen of this India. We have fundamental duties for the sake of the nation. Our every activities should be for the strengthening the national integrity and the social harmony. So I request everyone who want here, who is from Meghalaya, who is from Assam and anywhere of the India, everyone should respect the Constitution of India. Everyone should value the Constitution of India. And I think once we do our fundamental duties as prescribed in Article 51A of the Constitution in India, there should not be any hassle in coming this.
Kata uni lada Ukraine kamta ban rishu ngi ong finai ula bakla sibon ba. Ula bakla. Nginum shah ban mane belai hakte ke jaka. Lada udang pen kelumar sada kumta ne. Kani ke jingialang ngabai long hapo mentah hapo disi. Kanum poison shandoro.
Kata uang katkum ke jingi keren hapo. Kadon ke jingi.
Ka jingi keren hang tei haga ba penkut. Haga ba penkut ke long ba katai ke Krem Mawjymbuin kan long bai ku baju long. Shah ban mane belai ite. Shah ban mane belai. Shah ban le ki puja, mla ban le ki religious activities hang tai. Mo andrei P1 pidei na kanu ka kynhun jingeit wan tang ba subut bet ki kendon ki bagas nong kala bo mo phimla ban thang tho phimla ban bret sentiu phinumla ban thedot phinumle ki phinumla kanu ba ki takidak ban pedi ba katika Krem Mawjymbuin ke jaga mane belai mo
ya kanu kamu ong pat ba kadon ke jingi so lang apreng jungti ba.
Yes, betul lah.
Jingi keren mentah. Bahkan resume yang kajeng ya.
Ngi lapan saya su. Resume kuno, resume kamut ba baru kata jingkhang kamut mentah kajing wan jongki kamut bagin pelino, bagin kongo iki bun pendam. Kata kadika bakla na kaliang jongu.
Uang bakamdan hi kaban bro. Uang bakamdan hi kajing khang.
Ban ni ke?
Ya kata kajing mane belai.
Kaban kadon ni kajing mane belai. Ban kadon. Pin pete lada pin sakhi yang tai kiti signboard ngim pat chimpen kelam kidang ne gumjo. Ngim pat jingkhang e kata kaji. Omo kam banong bangi laweng e kata kajing mane belai.
Jek subut lada ki resume yang nani semat. Dai ka kendon de pasno.
Lada ngi lap ngan ong yeno na kanu ke parti lada ki claim cooperate lada ki claim board ya kiti ki kendon ke bakas no kalabo. Ya kata tinggi mai late itu. Nginum syah hiru. Lada hadu mata buwan hang ni udang sutu bakla. Ya kata te ngim laban kit kli ngim sutu. Ngila keren sai syu. Mano bala ban wan te. Kan osin ngila ju keren ni kaju bang mano ki laban wan hang te. Mo pidei na ka jinget muslim, pidei jinge hindu, pidei jinge kristian ne mano bala ban wan tang ba pinum la ban le ya kita ban pen I ba ketika Krem Mawjymbuin ketika jaga mane belai. Tu mata pin khangum no yo breu la da wan breu sule. Mo pin khang ni kata kelalong
Ni ba pi khang te ya Mawjymbuin.
kino ki rituals la ni ki activities ki ban pen I ba katai kumbale temple la di pilai po mandir te kalong kum tu te phimla ba kumbale mandir la ni temple ba pinwan le kum ta po Krem Mawjymbuin.